Hi, hello again. This is Persia and welcome to my channel. And today our topic is about sparklines. So ang data natin today is about graduates of different courses or discipline for a period of around 10 years. So we have the discipline on the left, and on the top row are the years. So one way of understanding a report like this, which is full of numbers, is to use sparklines, or what we call microcharts in Excel. There are two ways on how we can insert sparklines. One is we just highlight the numbers, and then dun sa baba, this icon here, ito yung quick analysis . So we have the options here to sparklines, and we can insert sparklines dun sa first option. So that's one way. And then another way is, we can highlight the cell, insert line. So since we already selected the data range, Excel already inputted yung ating data range. So the only thing that we will need to specify is the location range. So we'll just click it. Dito natin ang specify yung ating location range, and we just click OK. Both method will yield the same result. So for me, I would like to use the first method kasi mas mabilis, So after inserting sparklines, Excel will have a new tab at the ribbon called sparklines. So nandito lahat yung formatting ni Excel about sparklines. What we can do is we can change the colors of our sparkline. I think right now, ang default niya is blue. So we can change it to, let's say, we want it to change in green. You can change the color that you prefer. You can even increase the weight of the sparklines. Or there are specific points in your sparklines that you can apply colors. Let's say yung high point niya, let's give it a color blue. And then yung low point niya, we'll give it a color red. So dalawa yung points natin. One is color blue and the lowest is the color red. And then here you have several options on which point you would like to highlight in your sparkline. Since we assign a marker color dun sa high point and low point, that's why both are checked. And then you can also select the column if that's what you like. Yung data natin is both applicable for line and column. So that's how quickly we can insert microchart or sparklines, or in this case we can also use column chart or line chart, whichever you prefer in your data, especially if your data is full of numbers and you want to see the trending, you want to see the pattern in your data. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.